Hey y'all, we're going to do something so fun today. We're going to make some white chocolate, pecan, and cherry fudge. And it is going to be absolutely delicious. So what I've done here, I have melted 3 cups of white chocolate chips and 1 can of condensed evaporated milk. And I'm just going to stir it until it gets nice and smooth. And the length of time that it took me is I did it for 1 minute, and I took it out and stirred it like I'm stirring here, and then I had to let it heat for 30 more seconds. So anyway, this is such a nice little something different. You know, people love chocolate fudge, but this is yummy and it's so pretty. So I hope y'all are doing well. I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. We love you, and we are happy that you're part of our Miss Dana's Kitchen family. So we're going to add about 1/2 cup of pecans. Nico's been with me for several days, and we've had so much fun, haven't we, baby? Look how pretty this is, y'all. And 1/2 cup of cherries. Now, whenever I chopped up the cherries, I made sure to drain the juice out of them really well and to blot them so that they wouldn't be. Honey, you have to come around here because see, look, your head's in the way. And then what you need to do is just put a smidgen of almond flavoring, and I mean not much, because you know almond flavoring is super powerful. And so you don't want, it can overpower any dish real easily. Got it? Okay, put it in. Thank you. And so just use a smidgen. That's all I got to say. Just a teeny tiny little bit. And this is it, y'all. This fudge is so decadent looking. And you can see, I was trying to kind of do some of the spots in advance so you could see how easy it is. It only takes 2 minutes whenever you're really not talking and doing the fudge. So then I put some parchment paper down in a square pan, and I'm going to put the fudge down in that, and then I'm going to let it cool in the refrigerator for probably about an hour, and then we'll take it out and we'll cut it, and it'll be yummy, and we'll show y'all how pretty it is. Now, you know, you could honestly, just thinking about it though, looking at it, you could also take it at this point and just do it in little, kind of like cookie shapes. What, Angel?
Am I all the way out of the
screen? You're all the way out. You want to be
all the way?
All the way. You'd have to
come
come
legs hanging.
Yeah, I see your leg hanging.
I don't want to touch this though.
Okay.
Is it milk?
It's sweetened condensed milk. It's actually sweeter than milk. And it's thicker, and people use it.
There's a little sugar in here.
There's a little sugar in there, and people use it.
No, I need a purple sugar.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Does it make it even sweeter?
Probably so. So, you know, people have been okay, move, baby. Starting to use sweetened condensed sugar. They're selling it now in a little bottle, and you use it just whenever you need to sweeten something, which I think is a great idea because it is so sweet and yummy. This is how pretty it is. And as I was saying, I think you could see it sets up really quick though. You could just put this in little dollops and serve it like that. Make it a little bit easier because you wouldn't have to cut it. But this will be the prize of the party because when you cut it, it looks so Christmassy and beautiful. So here we go. We're going to let it chill, and then we'll show you how pretty it is and tasty. Okay, y'all, here's our beautiful white cherry pecan fudge, white chocolate. It is so yummy, and I think you're going to love it. Bon appetit.